RKON Risk Advisory created a rapid results portfolio security approach in response to our PE partners who felt there was a gap in the market offering that didn't take into consideration their unique business model. RKON has served the private equity market for over a decade, and in that time, there has been a growing importance on security at the portfolio company level. Hacking attempts and security breaches in private equity continue to increase drastically. An estimated 10% of PE portfolio companies have been compromised. A standard security approach will often take months to plan and execute, time that hackers can take advantage of. We were challenged by our private equity clients to find a way that balances portco security visibility without intrusive high-cost services that had to be absorbed by the portfolio leadership. In response to that challenge, RKON developed a unique approach that rapidly identifies portfolio security risk. RKON security assessment methodology is designed to maximize budget and results. Instead of scanning your environment, RKON analyzes your portfolio from the hacker point of view by accessing the dark web to determine if hackers are actively targeting any of your portfolio companies. We zero in on your hotspots in 48 hours, deliver a security scorecard so we can prioritize with a deep dive analysis and remediation should be targeted. This approach doesn't require any involvement from the portfolio IT team, who normally need a few months to fully respond and engage in a traditional deep dive audit approach. After phase 1, which will establish an actionable baseline, for organizations that want to drive a more comprehensive approach, RKON can deliver a detailed security assessment based on 20 years of hands-on experience. The real difference is our ability to deliver comprehensive security remediation solutions, from assistance with hardening internal systems to VSOC and virtual security operations, monitoring, and detection. The RKON difference. We identify active hackers in 48 hours. We don't just tell you what is wrong, we have cost-effective mid-market solutions. For more information on our rapid results security approach, please fill out the form on our website and we will schedule a time to review it in more detail. We look forward to hearing from you soon.